Right, so the previous video stopped at 20 minutes and 14 seconds. I still have no idea why, so I'll have to figure that out for tomorrow for the next video, if there's anything to be figured out. So we were at the end, we were at the very end, we have like 3 minutes left. So we were in that position where, yeah, that's it. So I opened into a square position, and the next movement from that is that I'm going to take my foot, glide it, and come back into what is the seated position that we were at the beginning. And this is why I call it the rotonda, is because as you do the 3, 4, 5 exercises, you actually go around and come back to the same position, but the other way. So I can hold on to the top leg again and go here, and now I'm doing the same routine until the other side. So and there I can forward, bend backward, I can rotate here, from there. I go in this half spinal twist, it's putting my buttocks up, I can feel my glutes being stretched, so I just drop it and work on my glutes. I can feel I'm working on my glutes there. Yeah, rotate one way, rotate the other way. Let it come here, let it fall onto itself, so we're back onto square again. So this is working on hip opening and external rotation. And then back here. So this is why I call it the rotonda, because you can go round and round between the left, right, the left side, the right side, the left side, the right side, and you can just go round and round, one leg after the other. I like to do that when I'm in front of TV in the evening. So this is the rotonda, the last part, it's an evening routine. It's an end of workout or end of day routine. It's very relaxed, you take your time and you go through the motion. I like to watch TV, so I put my Netflix series on and my mat on the floor, and I just go round and round and round through that series. Morning routine would be a sun salutation. Other video, we'll get through that. In the meantime, this is it for day 4, second video. Okay, so thank you for following, and don't forget to subscribe and push on the little thumb and on the notification so that you know when the next video is on. Okay, perfect. Stay safe. Bye.